Behind every SkyAnalyst trade, a process, not a guess. From the moment the market opens to the moment your AI fires. Here's how it unfolds. Every 2 hours, your AI trader wakes up. No defaults, no generic logic. It runs a structured reasoning framework, a sequence of analytical checkpoints written specifically for the instrument it watches. Macro regime, agent alignment, higher time frame bias, calendar gates, confluence scoring. The steps are fixed. The reasoning is the AI's own. Eurodollar has its own brief. Sterling has another. Nasdaq 100. The S&P 500. Each one runs the playbook designed for its character, its sessions, its volatility, its drivers. And the AI trader doesn't work alone. It calls in the macro agent, central bank policy, the bond market, session bias. It calls in the trend agent, multi-time frame structure, momentum, key levels. And the data behind it is just as deep. Price action across every time frame, the DXY, yields, gold, the VIX, market breadth, the economic calendar, volatility, on the chart itself, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci, moving averages, the full CMT grade array. From all of it, it produces 1 or 2 trade setups, sometimes none. If a high-impact news event is near, it stands down. If the setup quality grade falls below your threshold, it's filtered out before it ever reaches your dashboard. When a setup passes, confidence, quality, alignment with the trend, it moves to the AI entry agent. The trade is now being watched in real time. The entry agent doesn't sleep. Every minute it scans the chart against the entry conditions the original analysis demanded. Price action, confluence, market structure, risk to reward. And here's where AI patience changes the math. The entry agent rejects 95% of setups at this stage. Not because the original analysis was wrong, because the moment wasn't right. The AI is patient. It waits for the exact conditions, or it lets the setup expire. When it approves, the app notifies you. Telegram lights up. Your webhook fires. And if the Sky Trading Bridge is configured and you've enabled automated trading, the signal flows. From SkyAnalyst to the Sky Trading Bridge running on your local machine, to the Sky Automated Trader inside your terminal. MetaTrader 5 or C-Trader. At the position size your AI trader's risk profile allows. Stop loss, 2 to 3 dynamic take-profit levels. All at the prices the original analysis already defined. This is for demo accounts and educational purposes only. The trade is live. And now you can ask, is this trade losing momentum? Should I partial here? How much should I leave on the table? The AI doesn't just know the chart. It knows your trade. Entry, stop, targets, time in the market, real-time intraday analysis, contextual to the position you hold. And when the trade ends, target hit or stop taken, it's recorded automatically. Win rate, expectancy, average R. The next analysis benefits from the last, from scan to setup to execution to outcome. Every trade, a process. Every step, measured. Every decision, repeatable. This is SkyAnalyst.